ABC 6 weather with Jeff Benson. Brought to you by the Preserve Sporting Club and Resort.
Good evening, everybody. Happy Friday. Taking a look at the morning temperatures. It was a cold start out there. Did get into the 20s and even in a few spots like Norwood, going down to 18 degrees. Frigid in some of the outlying areas that cool down a little bit better than our urban centers like Providence here at 34, like Boston at 31, Boston at 34, Taunton getting to 24. So a good chunk of Bristol County here really felt the chill this morning. Little bit on the better side as well at the immediate shore, although westerly. You have to remember the airport that takes these readings a little bit further inland here, getting down to 28 degrees this morning. You want to talk balmy, you got to go out to the Cape where it was in the 40s again because of that extreme water influence. When you're surrounded on both sides by water temperatures in the 50s, that will happen. But it was a nice rebound throughout the day today. 50s across the board and even a few 60s as well. Big temperature difference. I mean, imagine waking up to 18 Norwood, you guys. 18 in the morning, 62 in the afternoon. An incredible jump, and again, much warmer than we've had the last couple of afternoons where we have been stuck in the 40s. Right now, we've come back down to some cooler air, 50s for your Friday evening. Certainly very nice out there. And just a slight northwest breeze, but again, that is going to be picking up here as we head into the weekend. So another red flag warning in effect for the day on Saturday. Very dry conditions all around both the air and the ground. And then you have that wind component, which could, again, exacerbate things. Should a flame catch on to something, could spread very quickly. The reason we have that breeze, again, a very tight pressure gradient. High pressure is going to be building in and making for a very nice weather weekend. But we've also got this stubborn low right offshore here, just south of Nova Scotia. And so that will bring the added northwest wind or north wind in here. We're not going to see any of these showers. Big difference in Maine today. Northern Maine, cloudy with rain. Southern Maine and all the way down here into southern New England, a beautiful end to the work week. So that's our situation for tomorrow. Now, as we head into Sunday, real nice day. The winds relax a bit, but I would expect another red flag warning to be extended for Sunday and possibly even Monday at this point. Now, check this out. We have signs of life here in the rain department. Not big ones, but check out that little cold front there over the Great Lakes. That is going to move through, and maybe we get a quick passing shower or sprinkle out of that on Monday. Is that going to do anything for our situation, though? No, unfortunately not. What we have to do is go later into next week. So let's first advance things here through Wednesday. Not hardly a drop again. Maybe we'll see a couple of showers out of that cold front. Better chance for places like upstate New York, northern New England to see that before it kind of dies out before reaching us. Stop me if you've heard that before. Oh, the front just fizzles out right over parts of the western northeast. But we do see the potential for a more potent storm system at the end of next week. And as we advance things here in our rain forecast through Friday, look at this, anywhere from a half an inch to an inch and a half for this blue shading here. That would be a sight for sore eyes for sure. And again, there has been pretty good agreement. I was kind of touching on this yesterday. Pretty good agreement amongst some of the major weather models that will happen later next week. Forecast for tonight, not as cold out there, 36 degrees, mostly clear skies. Beautiful day coming up for your Saturday. I think we'll be in around 60 degrees over the weekend and into next week. But again, that fire risk remains high because of the breezy conditions. Looking ahead towards Tuesday, Wednesday, beautiful sunshine continues and fairly seasonable weather back into the upper 50s. And there is the chance for rain on Thursday. It will bring in some very cold air, Tiffany. For those of us who are saying, I kind of want to get in the holiday mood here. Obviously, Thanksgiving's late this year, so it's not this coming week, it's the following week. But that system on Thursday, regardless of how much rain it brings us, has the potential to bring down some really cold air for next weekend and the days leading up to Thanksgiving.